Are your window or door screens torn, ripped, weathered, or damaged? Centennial Glass offers friendly in-store screen service for your door or window 6 days a week, making it the affordable option for customers needing service. Simply remove your existing screen, bring it in, and let Centennial's technicians take care of the rest. Often, small jobs can be handled while you wait. Are you ready to keep the unwanted guests like mosquitoes, bees, squirrels, mice, and more out of your summer fun this season? We stock materials all year round and can't wait to let the fresh air in with our convenient ways to serve you, saving you time and on your schedule. Visit our online screen repair section to get a quick quote online where you can upload your screen photos and measurements 24/7. Simply call us anytime, and our customer service team can answer all your questions by phone for a quick quote, or visit our friendly showroom and bring in what you have anytime that works for you. It's the only place to go for all your screen repairs and replacement. Just down from the Trainyards, centennialglass.com.